Hi, I'm Brett Swarts, founder of Capital Gains Tax Solutions. So I get asked a lot, what's my backstory? How did I come to be the founder of Capital Gains Tax Solutions? How did I learn about all these different tax deferral strategies? And essentially, where did this all start? So I'm going to take you back to the beginning of my career. And this is kind of between the years of 2006 to about 2010. And this is sort of the backstory. So I'm just out of college. I just graduated. And then I'm in the business. I'm learning about commercial real estate. I'm working at a company called Marcus and Millichap. I'm learning how to help people buy and sell investment real estate. I'm learning things about called 1031 exchanges. But the biggest thing about this backstory was I was just married, baby on the way, and I was making next to no income. I mean, barely surviving. My wife's home full time with our daughter, and we're trying to make sense of how do I continue in my dream of being an entrepreneur, businessman, and commercial real estate agent, but also be able to support my family at home. And it was a real struggle. And the biggest part of the struggle was the 2008 crash. Just when I was starting to get some momentum, the crash happened and the marketplace kind of stalled. And a lot of agents made zero who were making a lot of money, but especially the newer agents who were also barely making any money. And that's where I was. I was barely surviving. So we had to get creative. We ended up moving in with my brother into his condo with our baby. I ended up getting a side jobs to support the family. I guess I did what every good entrepreneur who has a dream does, and they figured out a way to keep it going, to keep learning, to keep growing, and to get a little bit of income coming in. So I was working side jobs at Cheesecake Factory. I was working basketball tournaments on the weekends. I would start, we called it in the cubes, making calls all day. And then after 5 o'clock, I would jump and go in my car straight to the restaurant and start serving people cheesecake. So that was a part of my journey, just that struggle, newlywed, baby, not making any income, and really just hitting a wall with how to add value to clients in a very competitive marketplace. And now a marketplace that has even lower transactions and win business. And what I found was a lot of people got hurt during the 2008 crash due to overpaying for properties, meaning they were doing these 1031 exchanges where you buy a property and you buy another one really quickly. And oftentimes you're taking on more debt and you're overpaying. And what happened was those who had too much debt and overpaid, some of them lost everything. So I had friends, family, clients lose everything. They built for 10, 20, 30, 40 years just to see it all go away because they felt they had no other way. They felt trapped, right? They felt they had to overpay for properties. So he said, there's got to be a better way. And at just that moment, a gentleman came in and he spoke on this concept called a deferred sales trust. And I sat there going, this can't be true. This can't be real. This is amazing. You're telling me we could have solved those problems for those folks. And that really began my journey on this capital gains tax deferral mission to help people never feel trapped by it ever again and really getting clarity on what is out there and what might be best for them. And so we started educating clients. I started to learn about it. I got my series 22, my series 63, and still doing 1031 exchanges, still do 1031 exchanges today. But I really just focused on adding value to clients and giving them options. And that led to the launch of Capital Gains Tax Solutions. So the plan was, okay, how do we educate people? How do we get the message out? How do we clarify their options? Clarity and empowering the client with the strategy so that they can go and create and preserve more wealth. And second to that is providing the business professional, the commercial real estate agent, the realtor, the financial advisor, the business broker, the M&A attorney with this strategy too, so they can do the same thing. Fast forward, my wife and I launched the company, and now we help countless individuals, and we educate hundreds and hundreds of business professionals every single year through our Capital Gains Tax Solutions podcast and through speaking events. And after creating Capital Gains Tax Solutions, I was able to not only do more real estate deals as a commercial real estate broker, but more so be able to do more deferred sales trust deals. And my wife can be a full-time mom. We now have 5 kids. We went from 1 to 5 in about 9 years. And she can stay home full-time and what she does, and she loves it. And I'm able to pursue my dream of being an entrepreneur and a businessman and able to provide for the family. So that's kind of my story, some of the struggles, some of the challenges, the obstacles we had to overcome. But now it's your turn. If you're a commercial real estate agent, if you're a financial advisor, if you're a business broker, if you're anyone who helps high net worth individuals sell a business, primary home, or commercial real estate, and you're looking for ways to add value and you're looking for ways to be relevant, especially in today's marketplace where automation is challenging everybody, I encourage you to dive in with our educational opportunities, dive in with our coaching and our mastermind, and really learn this because it's a powerful strategy. By the way, thousands of closes, 24-year track record, and it can help you grow your business and most of all add value to your clients. And if you're a high-end, high net worth individual selling a house or a business or real estate, the same is for you. Let's empower you with the strategy and educate your trusted advisors so you also can create and preserve more wealth and instead of paying the tax and never have to feel trapped ever again by capital gains tax. So that's my story. Thanks so much for listening. Subscribe to the podcast. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay connected. And we look forward to helping you here soon. Thanks so much.